I've never been one to lock the door. Always chasing something more, even if it leads to damage that you can't restore. I looked up to you, I broke down crying, not enough for you. 3 years down the drain when you came to me to say that I want you for your body, then I'll be out on my way. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Every time there's someone you they let me down, so what's the use? I'm so sick of love, I'm so listen for real this time. I ain't just a pretty face, yeah, I could blow your mind. Why is everyone expecting me to waste my time? Listen for real this time. I'm not about to watch you cross another line. I made it this far, just me, myself, and I. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Every time there's someone you they let me down, so what's the use? I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. I hope someone will come along and change my mind, my mind. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. I've never dealt with this before, I've never been one to lock the door. Always chasing something more, even if it leads to damage that you can't restore. I looked up to you, I broke down crying, not enough for you. 3 years down the drain when you came to me to say that I want you for your body, then I'll be out on my way. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Every time there's someone you they let me down, so what's the use? I'm so sick of love, I'm so listen for real this time. I ain't just a pretty face, yeah, I could blow your mind. Why is everyone expecting me to waste my time? Listen for real this time. I'm not about to watch you cross another line. I made it this far, just me, myself, and I. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Every time there's someone you they let me down, so what's the use? I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. I hope someone will come along and change my mind, my mind. Try to blame it on my youth, 'cause it's better than the truth. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. Listen for real this time. I'm not about to watch you cross another line. I made it this far, just me, myself, and I. You broke my heart, you made this bittersweet. Look what you did to her, look what you done to me. Try to blame you. I'm so sick of love, I'm so sick of love. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get